Is your workforce ready for tomorrow? Because tomorrow is already here. Digital transformation demands a lot from your people, like agility, efficiency, and a superior grasp of your CAD software. The next challenge is just around the corner. Keeping your team's technical skills primed makes your organization more competitive, while investing in training attracts the best candidates and ensures your top performers are here to stay. Rand 3D's ProductivityNOW is the proven e-learning platform used by thousands of organizations to enhance the proficiency, productivity, and potential of their people. ProductivityNOW transforms how your design team learns, pivots, and prospers. Solve problems quickly with the most extensive on-demand resources available for design professionals. Pinpoint specific skills gaps and assign custom learning paths to help build your high-performing team. Enable efficient, repeatable processes by loading corporate standards and documentation and establishing consistent onboarding experiences. Your team deserves access to the best tools and resources. Contact us today to discover how ProductivityNOW can help transform your organization's learning.